For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. In the age of digital dominance, social media marketing has become a necessity for businesses of all sizes. Starting your own social media marketing agency, SMMA, can be incredibly profitable, especially when powered by AI tools that can boost productivity, automate tasks, and deliver impressive client results. This guide will walk you step by step through launching your own SMMA using AI. Step 1. Understand the SMMA business model. Before you dive in, it's important to understand what a social media marketing agency does. Your core service offerings will likely include social media strategy development, content creation, posts, images, videos, scheduling and publishing content, community management, paid advertising, e.g., Facebook and Instagram ads, analytics and reporting. AI can be integrated at almost every stage, from generating content ideas to analyzing campaign results. Your agency can be fully remote, run solo, or scale with a team. Step 2. Choose your niche. Focusing on a niche helps you position yourself as an expert and stand out in a crowded market. Common niches include real estate, restaurants and cafes, e-commerce stores, health and wellness brands, coaches and consultants. AI can help you analyze industry trends using tools like ChatGPT, Google Trends, or BuzzSumo, making niche selection more data-driven. Step 3. Set up your business legally and logistically. Start by laying the legal and logistical foundation. Choose a business name and register it. Create a simple logo with Loca, Canva, or Brandmark, AI-powered. Set up a business bank account. Get a domain and professional email. Build a website with AI site builders like Wix ADI, Bookmark, or Durable. Ensure your site showcases your services, pricing, or a call to action to book a call, testimonials, and contact form. Step 4. Use AI to build your service offerings. Here's how AI can help you build a strong service stack. Strategy. Use ChatGPT to create tailored content strategies for different industries and platforms. Content creation. Text. Use ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy.ai to generate captions, hashtags, and post ideas. Images. Use Canva, Adobe Firefly, or Midjourney for graphic design. Video. Tools like Pictory, Runway, or Lumen 5 can create short videos from text or blog content. Scheduling. Use Buffer, Later, or Hootsuite with AI suggestions for optimal post times. Engagement. Use ManyChat or ChatFuel to automate DM responses and customer support via AI chatbots. Reporting. Use Metrical, Sprout Social, or Social Bakers to get AI-enhanced analytics and reports. Step 5. Build a portfolio with AI help. If you don't have clients yet, you need a portfolio. Create mock projects. Use AI to simulate work you've done for imaginary clients. Offer free trials. Approach a few businesses in your niche and offer a 7-day free campaign in exchange for testimonials and case studies. Use AI tools to speed up your delivery so free work doesn't take too much of your time. Document your process and results using Canva or Notion to present in a clean, professional manner. Step 6. Price your services wisely. Use a tiered pricing structure, such as Starter Plan, Basic Content Creation and Scheduling, AI-generated, Standard Plan, Strategy, Content, Engagement, and Basic Reporting. Premium Plan includes paid ads, analytics, chatbot automation. AI helps reduce manual labor, allowing you to offer competitive pricing while keeping margins high. Step 7. Find clients using AI-powered outreach. Client acquisition is crucial. AI can make this more efficient. Lead generation. Use Apollo.io or Phantom Buster to scrape leads from LinkedIn or Instagram. Cold email outreach. Use SmartWriter.ai or Lavender to generate personalized cold emails. DM scripts. Use ChatGPT to write professional and persuasive scripts for Instagram and LinkedIn DMs. Ad campaigns. Use Meta Ads Library and AI ad copywriters to build lead generation campaigns to attract business owners. Step 8. Use AI for onboarding and workflow automation. Streamline your onboarding with tools like Typeform or Jotform to create client intake forms, Zapier or Make.com to automate file handoffs, email confirmations, and task creation, Notion AI or ClickUp AI for building smart workflows and automating project timelines. With these automations in place, you can scale without hiring a large team. Step 9. Deliver results and optimize performance. Use AI to consistently deliver results. ChatGPT. Generate weekly content calendars or blog-to-social content. Surfer SEO or ScaleNut. Optimize written content for search and engagement. AdEspresso or RevealBot. A/B test paid ad creatives and optimize for performance automatically. Sprinkler AI. Gain insights on sentiment analysis, engagement trends, and customer feedback. Provide monthly AI-generated reports with clear metrics, growth, engagement, clicks, conversions, and suggested improvements. Step 10. Scale your agency with AI systems. Once you've found product-market fit, scale your operations. White label freelancers. Use platforms like Upwork or Fiverr Pro and plug them into your AI-driven workflows. Build an AI VA team. Use tools like BeHuman, AI Video Outreach, or Tidio AI, live chatbots, to extend your team's reach. Build courses or templates. Use ChatGPT to create info products to sell passively or onboard clients faster. Referral programs. Create and automate client referral programs using AI-generated marketing materials. Conclusion. Starting a social media marketing agency with the help of AI is not only possible, it's also one of the most scalable, high-margin business models available today. AI dramatically reduces time spent on repetitive tasks, boosts creativity, and allows solo founders to compete with larger teams. With the right combination of strategy, automation, and consistency, your SMMA can become a full-time business or even a digital empire. The key is to keep learning, testing, and iterating, and let AI do the heavy lifting. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.